Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Little Things. If you're new to this channel, my name is Avila, and what we're going to be doing for today's video is baking sugar cookies. But first, before I begin, I want to go ahead and call up a special guest.
Hello?
Hey girl, what's up?
What do you want? I'm busy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's just I'm making this YouTube video to make Valentine cookies, and I wanted to see if you wanted to come.
Sure, I'll be there soon.
Cool. Perfect. Okay, see you then. Bye. Let's see how long she takes.
Well, looks like this is the place. Let's try to knock on the door.
She's here. Come on. Let's go. Hey!
Hey, I'm ready. I got my mitten and my apron. I'm so excited.
Okay, let's put our aprons on.
Yeah, put the aprons on.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
First, you're gonna need some flour. Baking soda. And then a little bit of salt. Some butter. Some sugar. Then you're gonna need eggs. Like away, okay? Wait, they're like, I don't want to get cracked. Vanilla. Then we're gonna use almond extract.
Okay, now that the dough is all done, we're going to get a piece of parchment paper long enough for the tray that you're gonna bake your cookies on. Add some flour. We're gonna get half of the dough. Form it into your little ball. Place it in the middle of the paper for the top. And then roll until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Then place it on the pan and repeat until you have no more dough. After you roll it out, you're gonna put it in the freezer for about 1 hour. So now that you've taken your dough out of the freezer, now it's time to cut it. The reason why we put it in the freezer is so it's easier to cut.
Yeah.
So she got her minute on, and now we're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges get brown. These are soft sugar cookies, so you don't want to have the whole cookie brown, otherwise it will be too hard.
So we're both gonna use teamwork by getting this okay. Now, everybody don't do this at the house.
Well done, okay?
Always use a grown-up while doing this. Yeah,
Now
so
while the
red,
cookies are...
orange, yellow, green.
That's okay. So your cookies are done baking now. We're gonna let them cool off and make our icing.
Yeah.
So for the icing, we're gonna use 4 cups of
Powdered sugar, it's not the same. Vanilla. Then we're gonna make some eggs.
Okay, so now we have our icing, our cookies are baked and cooled down, and now let's decorate. Okay, we are all done with the cookies. So now let's eat them. Cheers. You like it? They're good. Now where'd you rate it? 1 out of 10.
10.
Not an 11. Okay.
11.
I think we did good, girl. Tell them what to do.
Subscribe to the channel. If you're watching it but you didn't subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe.
You heard her. I didn't say it, she did. Also give this video a thumbs up and let us know if you use the recipe and tell us what you think.